Here's what we're crossing. You can kind of see the trail up there. I think we're gonna eventually cross that ridge. But, whew, today's hike hasn't been too rough so far. It's gonna be a lot of climbing up and coming down, but I was told it doesn't have all the bouldering that yesterday had, and I am happy about that. I love this. It can't stay like this long, but I'll take what I can get. All right, we're coming up to McAfee Knob in 2/10 of a mile, I think. This has been rough, but it's been easier in some ways. So really excited to get up here. So this is going up to McAfee Knob. We have finally almost made it. There are the blue blazes. Sign over there that tells us it's the overlook. So we are going off trail a little. But this is one of the ones that's supposed to be worth it. Wow. Wow. Wow, there it is. Yeah, I'm taking my backpack off too. Okay, so this is McAfee Knob. It was so worth the climb up. It brought tears to my eyes. Look at this. Oh my God. It's just so amazing. Wow. I'm a little over on one of the other ledges, but it's just like the same outcroppings as McAfee Knob. This was pretty much 4 miles of up. We've been doing this all day to get here.